Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. An express train from Toronto to Montreal runs every fifth day. If the train went on Friday, after how many days will the train run on Sunday? Now from Friday, right after 7 days. On 7th day we'll have a Friday again. So on 5th day we'll have a Wednesday. In this way, next time Toronto Montreal Express will run on 5th day, that is on Wednesday. So after on 5th day from Wednesday we'll have a Monday, and on that day the express will run. On 5th day from Monday will be Saturday, and the express will run on this day. On 5th day from Saturday we'll have a Thursday, and that day the express will run. Again, on 5th day from Thursday we'll have Tuesday, and on that day the express will run. And on 5th day from Tuesday we'll have a Sunday. 5th day from Tuesday we'll have a Sunday, and on that day the express will run. So from Friday we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 6 times 5 days have passed. So 30th day. On 30th day after Friday, the express will run again. So answer is option D, 30 days.